packing light, essentials you must bring on flights. 10 essentials you should never board a flight without. Whether you're a casual vacationer or a seasoned business traveler, a little smart packing can mean the difference between a miserable flight and a smooth, comfy ride. In this countdown, we're covering the top 10 carry-on essentials that improve in-flight comfort, health, and preparedness. Strap in with your seatbelt sign-on as we reveal some clever, expert-backed items every flyer should have handy. By tip number 1, you'll be ready to fly like a pro. Ready for takeoff? Let's dive into our top 10 in-flight essentials countdown, starting with the basics and ending with the ultimate game changer. Fasten your seatbelt, here we go. Tip 10, passport, papers, and pen, the no-brainers. Your trip begins with essential travel documents, passport, ID, and boarding passes. Keep these organized in a folder or travel wallet, including visas and any COVID vaccine cards. Experienced travelers recommend having both physical and digital copies of these documents as a backup. There's nothing more stressful than losing a boarding pass at TSA or realizing your driver's license is at home. A helpful tip from flight attendants is to always pack a pen in your carry-on. You'll likely need it for immigration forms, customs declarations, or jotting down notes during your journey. Flight attendant Dashel highlights that many forget to bring a pen, so having your own prevents the hassle of borrowing one from a seatmate or joining the hunt for pens on the plane. This small item can be incredibly useful at high altitudes. Ensure that all necessary paperwork, passport, ID, boarding pass, and insurance info are easily accessible. Avoid being that person rummaging through bags at the gate. Keeping your documents organized allows you to breeze through check-in and security, setting a stress-free tone for your flight. Now that your documents are sorted and you have a pen, you're ready for boarding. Once on the plane, stay tuned for tip number 9, which focuses on keeping your devices powered and staying connected in flight. Tip 9, chargers and power bank, your tech lifesavers. Imagine settling in for a 6-hour flight, ready to watch a downloaded movie, only to find your phone at 10% battery. Avoid this nightmare by packing a reliable portable charger power bank and all necessary cables. Surveys reveal that phone chargers are among the most commonly forgotten items, with 34% of travelers reporting they left theirs at home. Don't be part of this statistic. Ensure you've packed your chargers before heading to the airport. A thin, high-capacity power bank under 100 watt-hours for TSA compliance can recharge your phone, tablet, e-reader, or headphones multiple times, crucial for long flights or if your seat lacks a power outlet. Charge all devices before your flight and keep cables in an easily reachable pouch under the seat to avoid awkward stretches for overhead bins. Don't forget any necessary adapters. If you want to use in-flight entertainment, bring wired earbuds or a Bluetooth transmitter for wireless headphones, as many planes still have dual-prong jacks. Seasoned flyers often carry inexpensive headphone splitters or adapters to avoid relying on airline-provided earbuds. Prepare your tech by downloading playlists, podcasts, or shows for offline viewing, and grab screenshots of your travel itinerary and maps. Many airlines now stream entertainment through their apps, so check that out. With your devices powered and ready, you can stay entertained and informed throughout your flight, making a charged device essential for smooth travels. Now that your gadgets are good to go, let's move on to tip number 8, focusing on staying clean and germ-free in the airplane cabin. Tip 8. Hand sanitizer and wipes, tray table detox kit. Airplanes may take you to exciting places, but they also harbor germs. Smart travelers don't board without hand sanitizer and disinfecting wipes. Surfaces like tray tables, armrests, seatbelt buckles, and seat pockets are often germier than lavatories. A study found airplane tray tables had nearly 8 times more bacteria per square inch than toilet flush buttons. To minimize exposure, quickly wipe down your immediate area upon sitting down. A veteran flight attendant recommends cleaning the tray table, armrests, seatbelt latch, and seat pocket card with an antibacterial cloth. This quick 60-second routine helps ensure a cleaner space. Follow up with hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol, especially after using the bathroom or touching common areas like overhead bin handles. Flight crews note that these items are rarely sanitized between flights, so be proactive. Hand sanitizer is practical too. You never know when you need to freshen up before eating or after encountering a sticky situation on your seat. TSA-friendly, travel-sized sanitizer bottles under 100 milliliters are easy to access. Clip one to your bag. A small pack of travel wipes can clean up spills, refresh your face, or wipe down your phone screen. Prioritizing health while traveling helps you avoid unwanted souvenirs like colds or stomach bugs. With your hygiene kit ready, you'll arrive at your destination feeling fresh. Now that your personal space is sanitized, let's discuss how to stay fueled and hydrated. After all, a happy traveler isn't hungry or dried out. Enter tip number 7. Tip number 7, snacks and water bottle. Stay hydrated and hangry-proof. Airplane air is extremely dry, and the food is often far from gourmet, making a refillable water bottle and healthy snacks essentials for your carry-on. Staying hydrated and fed isn't just about comfort. It's vital for your health and mood. Cabin humidity typically drops below 20%, much lower than the 30 to 60% we're used to. This dryness can lead to dehydration, dry skin, and headaches. Those tiny cups from flight attendants won't suffice, so bring an empty reusable water bottle through security and fill it at a fountain before boarding. Dr. Matthew Goldman from the Cleveland Clinic recommends this for a better flying experience. Having water accessible allows you to sip throughout the flight, keeping you hydrated and helping combat jet lag. Regarding snacks, we've all felt hunger strike mid-flight, only to be faced with pretzels or overpriced airport sandwiches. Save money and satisfy your cravings by packing nutritious snacks like trail mix, nuts, granola bars, or a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Flight attendants advise those with dietary needs to bring backup food options, ensuring you're not at the mercy of the snack cart schedule. Additionally, pack chewing gum or hard candy. They help equalize ear pressure and keep your breath fresh. By staying hydrated and nourished, you'll feel more energized and less cranky on your flight. Now that you're set with snacks and water, let's focus on getting comfortable for the journey ahead. Tip 6, travel pillow, neck saver for in-flight naps. Have you seen those people walking through the airport with U-shaped pillows around their necks? You could be one of them, and your future self will thank you for it. A good travel pillow is a game changer for in-flight comfort, especially in economy seats that can leave your neck and head contorted in unnatural positions. This often results in kinks and cramps that can ruin your trip. A supportive neck pillow, whether traditional, memory foam, or inflatable, supports proper head and spine alignment while you rest, preventing strain and encouraging better posture. Chiropractor Dr. Donovan Smolich emphasizes that maintaining spinal alignment helps avoid discomfort during and after your flight. When choosing a travel pillow, look for one that balances softness with support. Memory foam molds to your neck for comfort, and some have straps to secure them to your seat. If you tend to feel hot, opt for pillows made with breathable fabric. Don't hesitate to experiment. Some travelers even use folded scarves as makeshift pillows. Wearing a neck pillow might feel goofy, but it will allow you to sleep without your head flopping onto your neighbor's shoulder. So embrace the travel pillow. It's worth it. Next up, let's explore tip number 5 for blocking out distractions. Tip 5, eye mask and earplugs. Create your in-flight zen. Consider this your DIY business class sleep kit, a sleep mask and earplugs. These two small items can transform a noisy, brightly lit airplane cabin into a peaceful sanctuary, especially on red-eyes or long-haul flights. First, the eye mask. Airplanes tend to assault your eyes with light from screens and reading lights when you want darkness. A comfortable, contoured eye mask that blocks out light encourages melatonin production, making it easier to sleep. Research shows that using an eye mask improves sleep quality and enhances alertness and memory post-flight. Look for a mask made of soft material like silk or cotton that doesn't press on your eyes. Now, the earplugs. Airplanes are loud, with background noise averaging around 80 to 85 decibels. Foam earplugs effectively dampen this, reducing noise by 20 to 30 decibels. This not only aids sleep, but also helps you avoid fatigue from constant loud sounds. For pressure sensitivity during takeoff and landing, consider pressure regulating earplugs like earplanes, which alleviate ear popping. Together, an eye mask and earplugs create a do not disturb signal, allowing you to relax, meditate, or sleep through your flight. Many seasoned flyers keep these in their carry-on for peace at 30,000 feet. Next, let's address onboard clothing comfort in tip number 4. Be ready for temperature and spills. Cabin temperatures can be unpredictable. One flight might feel like an Arctic blast, while another could leave you sweating. That's why smart travelers dress in layers and pack at least one spare change of clothes in their carry-on. This isn't just about comfort during the flight. It's crucial for preparedness against unexpected events. For in-flight comfort, a lightweight hoodie, cardigan, or large scarf can be invaluable. Even in tropical climates, temperatures at 36,000 feet can drop, and the thin airline blankets often don't suffice. A big scarf or pashmina can serve multiple purposes: shawl, blanket, pillow, or even a makeshift privacy screen. Layering allows you to adjust your clothing as needed. Slip off a sweater if you're too warm, or put on socks and a hoodie if it's cold. Packing a spare outfit is equally wise. Spills or lost luggage can happen, and having fresh clothes, like a t-shirt, underwear, and socks, can make a world of difference. Luggage experts recommend keeping a day's worth of essentials in your carry-on to ease stress. Lastly, consider your destination's climate and potential delays. Being prepared for various temperatures ensures you won't freeze or overheat, allowing for a comfortable journey. Now that you're dressed for success, let's discuss the importance of circulation during long flights in tip number 3. Tip 3. Compression socks. Keep blood flowing, reduce swelling. Compression socks may not be glamorous, but they're essential for long-haul flights. Sitting still in a pressurized cabin can cause blood to pool in your legs and feet, leading to swollen ankles and increasing the risk of deep vein thrombosis, DVT, a serious blood clot condition. You don't want your vacation interrupted by a hospital visit. These snug-fitting socks help circulate blood back to the heart by providing firm grip at the ankles and gradually decreasing pressure higher up the calf. Medical research shows that they significantly reduce the risk of DVT on flights over 4 hours, making them highly recommended for any flight longer than 8 hours, particularly for those with risk factors. To use them correctly, put them on before your flight and keep them on for the duration of your journey. They should be snug, but not painfully tight. Look for mild to moderate compression, 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury, for travel. In addition to wearing compression socks, remember to move around periodically during the flight. Hydration also helps counteract DVT risk, so drink plenty of water. With the right measures, you'll arrive feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Now that circulation is covered, let's discuss your personal care essentials for comfort during long flights. Tip 2. Personal care kit, meds and toiletries. Stay healthy, feel fresh. Imagine this: you're halfway through a transatlantic flight and a headache emerges, or your allergies flare up. Having a personal care kit in your carry-on is essential. This kit should include necessary medications, basic over-the-counter remedies, and travel-sized toiletries to keep you feeling fresh. Always pack your prescription medications in your carry-on, not in checked luggage. Lost bags can mean missing essential meds. Doctors recommend keeping all medicines on hand, so pack them in their original labeled bottles and include a few extra days' supply for delays. In addition to prescriptions, include pain relievers, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, antacids, anti-nausea medicine, antihistamines, and decongestants. For overnight flights, a mild sleep aid like melatonin can help reset your sleep cycle. Don't forget toiletries. A toothbrush, travel-sized toothpaste, facial wipes, moisturizer, and lip balm are crucial for freshness. If you wear contacts, bring glasses and contact solution, as cabin air can dry out your eyes. It's also wise to pack feminine hygiene products, hand sanitizer, and a small hand cream. All these items fit neatly in a quart-sized zip bag. This personal care kit helps you stay healthy and comfortable during your flight, allowing you to arrive feeling your best. Now let's discuss the #1 essential every flyer swears by for a transformative flying experience. Tip 1. Noise-canceling headphones, your peace and quiet button. Frequent flyers consistently rave about the game-changing benefits of quality noise-canceling headphones, NC headphones. These headphones create a personal bubble of tranquility amid the chaos of air travel, drastically reducing the ambient noise levels inside planes, which can reach around 85 decibels and lead to fatigue. NC headphones use technology to counteract external sounds, allowing you to hear your music or movies clearly without damaging your hearing. They are especially helpful for sleep, transforming the overwhelming noise into a peaceful hum. Even without audio, wearing them can enhance your mental health in transit. Expert travelers and pilots frequently recommend noise-canceling headphones, which protect against harmful noise peaks during takeoff and long flights. Popular brands include Bose, Sony, and Apple's AirPods Pro or Max. If you're on a budget, affordable active noise-canceling options also provide relief. Over-ear models typically offer the best noise canceling and battery life, while earbuds are convenient and space-saving. In summary, noise-canceling headphones significantly improve your flying experience. They help you relax, enjoy entertainment, and maintain a peaceful environment. ensuring you arrive at your destination feeling more refreshed. So, put on your headphones and tune out the world for a more enjoyable flight. Thank you for watching or listening. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your own must-pack items in the comments. What can't you live without on a flight? Safe travels, and may your next journey be comfortable, healthy, and maybe even enjoyable. Bon voyage.